Guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm gonna let you know how you can transfer money from Affirm to bank account. So in that case, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, open up your account. So go ahead and type in Affirm and log in into your account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. You have to go ahead and tap on money. When you actually do this, you could go ahead and click on withdraw, and then in order to enter the amount, then go ahead and enter the amount you want to withdraw. Next, you need to choose the linked bank account you want to transfer money to. When you've actually done that, you need to go ahead and enter the exact amount that you're transferring. Go ahead and make sure to review all of the terms and conditions and click on continue. Once again, you have to review your transfer details and tap on submit or click confirm. Once you do that, you'll have successfully transferred money from a Affirm to bank account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.